welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my 23-month update for my no-buy. I did my first year no-buy as a complete no-buy. The only thing that I did end up buying was cotton rounds because I just needed them. I couldn't take off my nail polish. I couldn't use my eye makeup remover. So a girl had to get her cotton rounds. That is the only thing I bought in the first 365 days of this no-buy. Now, when I started my second year that I am getting so close to, I decided I was going to do replacement only because I was running out of things. I knew in the first year that I was going to be good, and I did start to run out of things, and I have replaced a few things here or there. It has been a while since I've replaced anything, and I don't think that I'm going to need to replace anything. I'm like looking around, did I replace anything? And I haven't in months. And I'm happy about that. And to be quite honest with you, this past month, I wasn't even remotely tempted. And that kind of blows my mind because I always feel like in the back of my mind that I want to buy something because for a long time, if I wanted to buy something, I just bought it. And I have tried to curb that habit, and I feel like I'm definitely on that right path, and I have been for some time. I do get twinges every now and again. I certainly do. But I feel so good this past month. I feel like I'm in a really good place. I've tried to reduce some of my stresses, as you can see by my Drop 10 Before Summer video, where I decided to ditch the scale. I have ditched keto. Anything that has been putting pressure on me, stress on me, I've been trying to eliminate those little stressors, because those little stressors add up to I want to buy, kind of like retail therapy. So I'm trying to reduce my overall stress, and I'm finding that I'm more relaxed in everything, and I don't feel that anxiousness to want to buy things. There are some really pretty things that have come out, but none of them are just saying buy me, and that's kind of odd. I don't even know how to explain how I feel right now, and I know plenty of you guys are on no-buys right now yourselves, and it's amazing how many people are doing so well on their no-buys, and even the low buys. It like people are setting their budget or their parameters, like 2 out, 1 in, that kind of stuff, and I watch a lot of them. I can't possibly watch them all because I follow a lot of people, hundreds of people. And so I can't keep up with everyone, but I do keep up with quite a lot. And I'm so impressed with how everyone is doing. And I feel like it's making it easier for me. And it's probably making it easier for other people that so many people are doing this no-buy right now. And I just feel like we're all supporting each other, and I love that. I absolutely love it. It makes me want to be successful in this, so that if other people are struggling with their no-buy, they can see that, you know, it can be done. It truly can be done. You just have to have like that mind over matter and all those other cliches. And I feel like my willpower for some things has really grown in the past almost 2 years, and I feel so good. I can't even stress how good I feel that I don't have stuff coming in. And even though it was a gift, I did cancel Sephora Play, so like I have nothing coming in. Every now and again I will get something from PR, but it's few and far between, and I'm good with that. I don't ask for makeup or anything like that for my birthday, anniversary, Christmas, or at least I haven't. And it feels good to see my numbers drop. Like, not my monetary numbers, because I am really working hard on some of my older drugstore stuff this year, but the overall like number of years of products and the actual counts of products. Like, I think I dropped from 37 blushes down to like, or maybe it was 36 down to 34, 33. I can't even remember, but y'all know what I'm saying. Like my categories, the numbers in each category, it's dropping, and it feels so good. And almost don't want to buy just because it's almost like a rush. Like it's a challenge for me now to see how long I can go and how low I can get my numbers. And I don't know. I don't know if other people experience stuff like that, where if you're a very competitive person like I am, and you like create these challenges for yourself, you're not competing against someone else, but you're creating these challenges for yourself, like how long can I go without buying, or can I get my numbers down to a certain level before I buy, or use X number of products before I buy, or something like that. I do that when I shop too, like when I'm grocery shopping or clothes shopping, which I don't clothes shop. I mean, let's be real, I don't. But even when I grocery shop, I create these challenges, like, can I get a basket full of, or a cart full of groceries for under a certain dollar amount for my family of 5? And it's a game to me. It's a challenge and a game, and I make it fun, and I think that is part of why I'm being successful right now. And I think I'm going to continue playing these little games with myself. I don't know if anyone is understanding how I'm explaining it. I probably am not explaining it right, but yeah, it's my own little competition in my own little head, and it's working. It is working. I feel good. I feel so non-stressed, and I feel good that my collection, like, I'm looking at all the stuff on my vanity, and I still have a lot, don't get me wrong, but it's less. It's like it was bad, but now it's less bad. And I don't know how else to explain that, but seeing the progress for me, it's such a stress relief. It really is. I hope that everyone else that is doing their no buy is successful. Those of you that are doing a low buy or some other kind of a challenge, I hope you are all successful. And seriously, I am here if anyone wants to talk about any struggles that they're having with their no buy, or anything related to panning or not buying or anything like that. Hit me up. Instagram DM. I think there's a messaging system here on YouTube. I almost never use it. All right, baby. Okay, I'll be right there. I'm here. I am here. I have my email listed down there, and I'm fairly good about replying to emails, but not always. Let's be honest, I'm busy, but I want to be here for you. So if you guys, are struggling with anything, with your no buys or your panning or anything else, hit me up, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Or you can just put stuff in the comments and I will reply to it. I'm a little behind again because life, but I am slowly trying to catch up again. All right, I've been babbling too long, so I'm going to wrap this up. One more month, and I am at 2 years. I can't believe it. June 23rd is when I'm allowed to buy again, technically. But I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. I do think I'm going to get it to the 2 year mark. I would be shocked if I didn't get to the 2 year mark. Something cataclysmic must happen for me not to get to that 2 year mark. So stay strong. You can do it. Don't buy. If you need help, I'm sure, other people besides myself are also willing, but reach out to someone that you trust or want to talk to, and we will get you over that hump. All right. And if you are having a struggle and you just want to release it down in the comments, by all means. Sometimes just getting it out in the open, it's very cathartic. It really is. So feel free to leave what your biggest struggle is down in the comments, and we'll get a little dialogue going. We can all be very supportive in this wonderful painting community. No dramas here. None. All right, wrapping this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.